Alright, these are going to be the North Tower, or the second tower elevators here at the Holiday Inn in Kissimmee. We got Riley here. Now, rumor has it that these elevators are currently being modernized right now. Well, let's see how true that is. Installed in 1982 or 1983. There's a look at the building out there. And I can kind of see a line forming. So I get a feeling one of them's out. Let's see. Up, I see something here. Look at this. The elevators are temporarily out of service. Yep, these ones are out.
The button's like right there.
I'm guessing that's the only car that's running.
That one has a single slide.
Yeah, but the other two are out. See, the indicators are...
This one was California code, you can barely see it.
Let me see. Yep, there's your button.
Doesn't look too exciting.
So they must have just started, because everything on the outside is original.
Thank you.
One tried to show the indicator without getting lime. Here it is.
It smells old.
Yeah.
This way.
Oh,
Alright. Going up. What floor are y'all going to?
6.
It's gonna be a full house in here. Here we go. Ooh. I'm definitely gonna miss these when they're gone. I mean, these are fun. Have a nice day. Here we go. You filming or no, Riley?
I am filming.
Okay. Just paying attention to recording so I can't really see you. Here's your switches. Here on 6.
Alright, here we go, guys.
Alright.
Ridiculous how they put that interlock there.
Yeah, it's weird. Yeah, there's a lot of Otises like that here that have the interlock there. It's kind of odd. Here only 2 more floors.
Barely even
Whoa! Little leveling.
Oh, going down.
8.
What floor? 1?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, they still have the original call buttons up here, so they haven't done much to them yet. It's probably going to be a big line for this once we get down. Ooh. These are fun.
Anyway, so you can even hear.
You're free to come on, we're just riding. Heading up? Like I said, you're free to come on, we're just riding for fun. What floor?
3.
7. Love the red LEDs on these.
Same.
Here we go. They are.
I'm famous, you can shoot me.
Oh, you want me to? Oh, you guess not. Alright, here we go. On 7. Ooh. This one's still going up, but if you want to come in, you can.
You can go ahead. They're taking forever.
Okay, this is the only one running though, so...
Oh, so the other 2 are broken? Or
No, they're being replaced.
They've been broke for 2 weeks.
They're actually replacing them. I got word from someone they were. But
So
there's
one of
the
them is
other
out of
two
service or
cars.
both of them?
Both of them are. Here's your call button. That one is dead. This one works though.
This one's not in good shape, I hate to say.
They're rough, yeah. Anyways, we'll end on one.
I thought these center speed doors are still running.
No, they're both out.
Yeah.
The call buttons are covered up on one. And of course we're stopping. You're on one. Ooh.
And two.
No, two.
El piso.
Ya está encendido. Marcado.
It's gonna take a little while to shut. I can see it. Okay, there we go.
These do need mods anyways. Unfortunately.
Maybe this one. The other ones run fine though.
Oh, okay.
At least in
This
my
one?
opinion. But we're gonna get off here.
That's a major hazard.
Hello.
Right there.
Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna let them go and watch it go.
Old California code right here.
There it goes.
And that's it.
You see, that's your. Here's your call button there. Oh, this one lights up nice and bright. Look at that.
This
That
one's in
one
good
is already
condition.
on 4, but see, these two are out because you can see they're both out, and look at that. But anyways, there they go, and that will be it.